What?
That plane is not moving! Take a
What
video!
the hell? Oh my god! What the fuck?
Plane, are you
Oh my
getting
god!
This is exactly where I saw it last time!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, that's all.
Yo, I've got a very bizarre video here that I still can't quite get my head around. It was recorded and uploaded on TikTok. I've shown a few strange TikTok videos before and stated clearly that I've never really used it before or understood how it works. I've had this video for a few weeks now and didn't want to just prematurely upload it without investigating it first. I've shown this to various people who use TikTok religiously, including my 17-year-old daughter, and I've even been playing around with TikTok myself, testing out the video add-ons and testing the capability of the app. It's pretty basic stuff, kinda like Snapchat. You can add filters, emojis, captions, and add your own music. Everybody I've spoken to says you cannot edit a video like this on TikTok. This looks as real as the moment it was captured, I'm being told. So I'm still left with more questions trying to figure this one out, so now is the right time to upload it, as I've hit a brick wall trying to debunk this. I've also been informed that if a user does edit a video such as add music or captions or filters, it tells you that the user has done so. And this particular video shows nothing has been added to the original video, and even the audio is the original audio, as you can see here. So let's take a look at this. It was filmed and uploaded by Dylan Polly on the 6th of October 2019. Can anybody make any sense of this? Neo, we have a glitch in the Matrix. Here's the video. Pow.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, is this plane moving? This plane is staying fucking still, dude.
Dude, it's not staying still.
What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, is this plane moving? This plane is staying fucking still, dude.
Dude, it's not staying still.
What the fuck? I was just watching some tennis and I saw something weird. I figured I'd document it. Check this out.
Life well planned.
This plane is sitting in the sky, stationary, on a video. Here it comes. Alright, hold on.
Live in the 16th arrondissement of Paris on this Friday.
Watching some French Open tennis, and look at this. See, it's a video. Flags are moving.
Look at the weather, which is
This plane is just sitting there. Nobody says anything.
73, little chance of rain later today. Yeah,
What is that? It's got a trail behind it, like a dark trail, but it's just, it's stationary in the sky. See the flags moving? This is a live video. Nobody says anything. Nobody notices this plane just sitting still in the sky. What is going on? What is that?
On this Friday, nearly 15,000 people will pack.
See the flags moving?
For this semifinal.
Live video,
which is
but plane's not moving.
The second week of the tournament, 73, little chance of rain later today.
Just thought that was weird, man.
Está quieta. Está quieta. Mírenla, miren esa avioneta. Yo no sé, Irene.
Está planeando.
Hey, sir, take this airplane. Mírenla.
Se está dejando llevar por el aire.
Miremos bien eso. Miremos esa vaina, el viento.
¿Está firmándolo?
Claro. Totalmente quieta.
No se mueve.
Parece un helicóptero. Entiende, un helicóptero. No, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal de que se vaya en pica?
Son ese pendón, ese pesa.
Mire. Óigalo. ¿Qué verdad que era eso?
Arrancó, ¿viste?
Qué machera esa vaina, man.
That plane looks like it's just hovering. It looks like a big one as well. Look at it, for real. It looks like it's just kind of hovering there.